Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Global Tongue, and I'm your friend Sanjit Kumar Vishwakarma. I hope you remember me by now. And this is my channel, The Global Tongue, and in this channel we talk about communication. And so far I've uploaded a couple of videos in this channel, and all the videos have been just communication, as I talk more about communication. And if you remember my last video, I talked about friends in English. I told you about the he, she, it chart, when we have got friends, and whenever we speak English we always take help from our friends. If you remember your friends, like we have I, we, you, then we have he, she, it, this and that, and then they, those and these. They all are your friends. So whenever you speak English you have to take help from them. So today I am here again with my new video, and the topic of my today's video is simple present tense. So from today I have started tenses. So I'll be teaching you all three tenses. First is simple, that is present tense, and then we'll move to past and then the future. So we'll cover tenses, all tenses. So now today's tense is simple present tense. So we'll learn how to use simple present tense nicely, right? So before we start to talk about tenses, so let me tell you all the scenarios wherein we use simple present tense, right? First scenario is facts. So whenever we talk about facts, we have to use simple present tense. So the facts could be like, I am a teacher and you are a student, or let's say I have a small family, or let's say you have a small family, you have 5 siblings, or you could say that my father works in any government department, all right, or I have a bike. So under all these scenarios we use simple present tense because these are all facts. And then comes the second scenario, which is universal truth. So universal truth means what the truth that is universally accepted. So sun rises in the morning, milk is white, grass is green, and water is colorless. Alright, so these are all universal truth. So whenever we talk about universal truth, you have to use simple present tense. And then comes the schedule. So let's say if you work somewhere, so as I work in call center, I'm a travel agent. So my shift starts around 9 p.m. So that is my fixed schedule. So sharp at 9 p.m. we need to be logged in because we start to get calls from 9 p.m. back to back. So 9 p.m. is a schedule, so that schedule has to be there. And now, so in that scenario we use simple present tense. And the second, and then the next is daily routine. So whatever activities that you do regularly, that is also simple present tense. Like I wake up around, let's say 8 in the morning, I freshen up, I have breakfast, I get dressed and leave my house. That's my schedule. Our friends are subjects, right? So we have to use subject. We need subject, first form of verb, and object. So that's all. That is the simple and easiest formula of simple present tense. What we need? We need simply subject and a verb and an object. So make sure that whichever verb you are picking up, it has to be first form. You don't have to go for the second part participle, just first form of the first form of the verb. So which would be, let's say here, the sentence is I make YouTube videos. Got it? So I is subject, make is first form of verb, and YouTube videos remain like that's object, right? And the second statement here is he does a lot of hard work. So he, our friend subject, does, because we have used do. And if our friend, this is he is our special friend, so whenever we talk about special friends we have to use es after that, because that's what the rule says, s and es after verb in terms of our special friends. So he does a lot of hard work. And then she is a singer, fact. Alright, so this is how we use simple present tense. And there is one another way to remember simple present tense easily. It's like whenever you are talking about your daily routine, there you have to use simple present tense. Like I wake up around 6 in the morning, I freshen up, and then I have breakfast, I get dressed, I leave my house, go to the bus stand, wait for the bus, get on the bus, and the bus drops me at my work building, and from there I get. So like this is how you have to use simple present tense. Alright, so whenever you get questions like what do you do, so I work, so this is just a positive statement. So we'll cover negative as well. So this is just a positive statement. It means it doesn't have any negative stuff, or it is just a just a statement, not a question. So we'll cover question as well. So first of all, this is just a statement, and I hope guys you would be able to remember your friends. So whenever you have identified your friends, then add simple present tense and then object there. Got it? So guys, if you have liked my video, kindly share, subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching my video.